Thank you.
State your appearances, please.
Afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Andrew Babnick on behalf of the plaintiff, who is appearing here as well.
Name, please.
Brianna Kingsley.
All right. And where are we on this case, folks?
Your Honor, we've had a few hearings on this. The court had set this for a trial at this point based on the affirmative defenses that were asserted in the matter. I believe there's no triable issue. If you look at the answer filed by Ms. Kingsley in the matter, she admits to the non-payment of rent. She admits to the fact that there are damages to the unit. The court is aware there were police reports filed and attached with the complaint that the damages were the result of the defendant herself breaking the windows, refusing access. The landlord is now going to be outside of the certificate of occupancy that was issued because repairs can't be made. They can't get access to the property. It continues to deteriorate. As a result, there's a broken window, broken doors on the interior, broken doors on the exterior. We filed a notice to have this terminated as a result of the health and safety hazard as well as the non-payment of rent, and we'd be asking for a judgment at this time.
Response.
I have it prepared here. I will pull it up.
There is a tree demand.
Okay, this was what I received from attorney with the legal aid, Tracy Jensen. And there are several issues at hand, including procedural defenses. In regards to my written statement and the statements made by Attorney Babnick, the property is not damaged. The pictures that the landlord included, I have countered and included pictures of the house in its current condition. The house was inspected by the Ypsilanti Building Code, Miss Jamaica Berry, in October. In October, I also filed a formal complaint with the city of Ypsilanti through the C-Click Fix notification system, a governmental agency, of the issues with the habitability of the home. I have filed a case with the Fair Housing Administration. There are many things that we could focus on. I would like to focus on the fact that I was denied a disabled parking spot. And according to Michigan Legislature Section 600, and that is 600.5720, says that if it's an alleged termination was intended primarily as a penalty for the defendant's attempt to secure or enforce rights under the lease or agreement or under laws of state, governmental subdivision, or United States, they denied my handicap parking. I filed several complaints at the city level, and I'm defending myself here. The alleged termination, Part B, was intended primarily as a penalty for the defendant's complaint to the governmental authority with a report of the plaintiff's violation of the health or safety code or ordinance. The allegations made by the landlord, I wanted to bring in a third-party perspective. So I contacted the Ypsilanti Building Code Department. Ms. Jamaica came out and did an inspection and found 12 violations on the landlord's, at the landlord's responsibility. In regards to the statement by Attorney Babnick that they have not been allowed to access the unit, that is so false. Her husband, Mitch Carrick, busted down the door, and I was not able to secure the unit.
This isn't the time for me to receive.
I think there are tribal issues, and I can.
Thank you.
Yes,
that's
sir.
all you needed to tell me. And when I look at that, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two things today. I'm going to set it for a final settlement conference on this. We'll hash out specifically what issues are going to be litigated. The parties are going to need to be ready to go to trial when I set the trial date thereafter. All right. I'm also going to order regarding escrow, and I'm just going to say this to you, Ms. Kingsley, that you coming into court and posting escrow in $1 bills, this court views as just harassing my clerks. and making my clerks go through that process. It is something that I'm not going to tolerate. There is no reason why you have to bring single dollar bills in. You did that when you paid the $111.11. You also did that when you paid $444.44, which my clerks had to count out. You also did that when you paid today the $666.66. So on my own motion, I'm going to order that as you post escrow, that you may only post escrow in denominations of U.S. currency, not less than $10 bills. It is further ordered that from you on this case, because of your abuse of the process, and my clerk's office are ordered that they are ordered to accept no $1 or $5 denominations of U.S. currency for you for the purposes of escrow. And I have signed that order. We will present that to both parties. See everybody on March 19th.
Quickly, can the court tell me what's the rest of the court as far as the escrows?
There is a $111.11 posted by our records. It was posted on January 8th, 2024. On January 10th, 2024, there was posted $780. On January 22nd, 2024, there was posted $1.11. On February 5th, 2024, there was posted $444.44. And I think today, correct?
Yes.
Today, there was posted $666.66.
If I may, Your Honor,
Go ahead.
I just want to establish that I paid the full amount through February and there is a balance ready for March. This is not an issue of paying the rent.
My issue isn't with whether or not you pay rent. It isn't anything like that. Will not be trying to bring singles in, trying to make some point to my clerks. They have nothing to do with whatever the issues are here. They are here trying to serve the public. You will not hand them $600 worth of $1 bills for them to count out. It just won't happen. And I've issued that order.
Would you like any response to that, or we can just move forward?
You can make whatever response you want. I'm just telling you, don't bring any singles in here trying to post escrow. Don't bring any $5 bills trying to post escrow. $10 or higher.
Understood.
That's it.
Going forward, Your Honor.
Is there an adjourned date, Your Honor? I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
March 19th, 2024, 9 a.m. in person.
Your Honor, if I may continue,
Thank you, Your Honor.
if I may.
Go ahead.
Right, so I did confirm with the clerk that all U.S. if accepted. Policy does not.
No longer on this case. That is my order. Thank you. I'm done.
We are done. Thank you, Your Honor. I understand. March 19th at what time?
9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful afternoon.
I will do. You do the same.
I will do my best. I am grateful.